Please, if you are writing JAMB or any other external exam, please do well to follow my page. We are asked to identify the buffer solution in these options. Are you there? So what's a buffer solution? A buffer solution is a solution that will always resist change in pH when small amount of acid or base is added to it. Now we have two types of buffer solution. We have the one we call acidic buffer. Acidic buffer solution. Acidic buffer is formed from weak acid and a conjugate base. Weak acid and a conjugate base. So what's the example of a weak acid? Acid like CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid is a weak acid. So let me form a conjugate base from this weak acid. I have CH3COONA. Conjugate. So this one is what? A conjugate base from this weak acid, sodium ethanoate. There we have another type which is called basic buffer. Basic buffer. Basic buffer is formed from weak base and a conjugate acid. Weak base and a conjugate acid. Weak base like NH4OH. This is ammonium hydroxide. Plus, let me form a conjugate acid from here. I have NH4, maybe Cl, conjugate. Are you there? Now, this one is a weak base and a conjugate acid. So this one is what? A buffer solution. This one is also a buffer solution. So let's consider our options. Option A. This is a strong acid. Remember, a strong acid doesn't form a buffer solution. This is a strong acid, and this one is water, not even a base. This is sodium hydroxide, a strong base. This one is a salt, can't form buffer solution. If you know what buffer solution is. The third one, we have what? A weak base and a conjugate acid. Weak base and a conjugate acid. So this is a buffer solution. The last one, HCl is a very strong acid. It doesn't form a buffer solution. Sodium hydroxide is also very strong. It doesn't form a buffer solution. Thanks for watching. Bye.